The total precipitation for the season since June 1st still stands at 3.85 inches, which is 1.46 inches. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lee County in central South Carolina, northwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, east central Richland County in central South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sumter County Airport, or 8 miles north of Sumter, moving west at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbia, Sumter, Shaw Air Base, Eastover, Oakland, Sumter County Airport, Ashwood, Oswego, Dalzell, Dinkins Mill, Fort Jackson McCready Training Center, Watery River Correctional Institution, Cherryvale, Rembert, Statesburg, and Woodrow. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Columbia has